Good morning, everyone. Today I'm heading to Nuenen. It's a Dutch village near Eindhoven where Vincent van Gogh lived for about 2 years, I think. And I will show you around this charming little town and also reflect a little bit on how these small, sometimes transitional places can boost creativity and really help you progress in life. So let's go and explore. Hello from Nuenen. So Van Gogh lived here between 1883 and 1885. At the time, he wasn't famous, he was struggling, and he painted the famous the potato eaters here. So not in Amsterdam, not in Paris, but here in this small village. The house where he lived is a museum, so I will go check that out shortly. And there is also the statue of the potato eaters painting here, which I will show you now. So I've also been living in a small village near Eindhoven for the past 6 years. And I must say, it also gave me space to really reflect and work on myself and progress in different parts of life. So I totally get it, how small places can help with creativity, but also personal development. And more importantly, it just feels so peaceful to live in this area. By the way, there are a few really nice cafes and restaurants on this square. So I had previously been here in a cafe just behind me. They have really nice apple tarts, so I will go and check that out. I had a slice of appelgebak met slagroom and een kopje coffee, which were delicious. The staff here are very friendly. I practiced my Dutch with them. Now I'm heading to the museum as the next step. Let's go. So I am just in front of the Van Gogh Village Museum. And of course, I'm going to make use of my museum yard card. If you don't know, it's a yearly subscription that gives you unlimited access to all museums in the country. And whenever I visit a new city or a village, it really enriches my experience. So, highly recommended.
Ik weet geen andere manier dan zo lang met de natuur te worstelen dat ze mij haar geheim zegt. De lente is teergroen, jong koren en roze appelbloesem.
So I absolutely love the museum experience. If you ever visit Nuenen, I highly recommend that you visit the Van Gogh Village Museum. I must say I had goosebumps during the visit. It's been really insightful. I learned a lot. So I learned that Vincent was also born in March, just like me. And he's moved around a lot within the Netherlands, but also to Belgium, England, etc. So he was also a traveler like me. And he loved Brabant and he loved nature. So yeah, there are quite a few things that I can relate to. He was struggling with perspective in the beginning in his paintings, and I'm struggling with YouTube. Needless to say, I'm gonna be eating potatoes today because jokes aside, I really enjoyed visiting the museum. This was actually his parents' house, where he spent almost 2 years. He had a small studio there, although he mostly painted outside. The museum tells detailed stories about his time in Nuenen, especially how he painted the potato eaters, the whole process behind it, the struggles, and how it later became one of his most well known works. Another remarkable part of this region is the Van Gogh Rose Garden cycle path. It's designed to light up at night, inspired by Starry Night. I'm here during the day, so won't be able to show it, but the idea itself shows how Van Gogh's influence still shapes this area today. Van Gogh didn't stay here forever. It was only one chapter and then he moved on. And maybe that's the point. No place is meant to be permanent. Some places just shape you or leave a mark, and then you continue. Even though he lived here only for 2 years, he produced most of his best works, including the potato eaters here in Nuenen. This windmill appears in many of his paintings, so he must have come here often. I hope you enjoyed discovering this charming village with me. If you'd like to see more places like this, feel free to subscribe. And thank you for watching.